Hello, friends. Welcome back. And this is episode 2 of the series where I guide you and support you in improving and speaking English. So, today we are discussing that how do people speak confidently and what are the key tips to improve your confidence and boosting your level of confidence. So let me give you a scenario, okay? So you're in your class and your teacher suddenly out of nowhere asks you a question and suddenly you know the answer, you were paying attention, but when the sir asked you a random question, your mind gets freezed and you don't know the answer. You know the answer, but you're not able to say the answer, and you get absolutely freezed. Do you know why does this happen? 95% students face this every day. Every day they do face this. So have you ever thought why does this happen to us? The answer is simple. Our brain gets triggered, and because of lack of confidence and because of immediate access to the fear point, that is the immediate access of fear, this happens. So the answer is simple. You have to first remove your fear and build in your confidence. Simple as that. But that's not that simple. It has to start with daily practice and daily communications. Do you know something? Whenever people work under pressure, they do things wrong. But do you know something? The key secret to successful person is that he or she knows how to work under pressure efficiently. So that is what you also need to know to build. And let me ask you something. Why do we all really wish or want to speak confidently in English, or we want to build our confidence? You know why? Because communication is the key to everything. The greatest tool ever on earth is communication. If you do not know to express your thoughts and your opinion or whatever you think to another person, then whatever knowledge you have, it's absolutely useless. It's not about the knowledge, it's about how you express the knowledge you've attained. So, communication is the biggest key ever. Once Peter Shepard said that communication is the solvent of all problems and the foundation of personal development. That's really finely quoted. So, there are three things that you can actually do. The first thinking, increase the rate of your thinking and accuracy. So, first, understand that when someone asks you a random question, do not fear or be afraid over there. Instead, try to build in some confidence in you. That is a daily practice that comes with lots of communication, lots of trials and errors. If you look into my other videos, I'll be telling you many tips of trial and errors, rectification, and many more. So, it's all about that, you know. And that is how your thinking rate also increases, because for example, you've been asked something, you may know the answer, but if you get feared, then your thinking rate also decreases. So first let the fear out of your mind, let it just get out. Then work on your speed and accuracy. Second, work on your communication skills. Third, work on how to express your thoughts. Expressing the thoughts to someone else is really important, because without that you cannot work on anything in life. That is actually a fact. I'm not telling that people. So in my first episode video, someone had commented below that there's the confidence I need in my life. So that is something all are wishing, and that is something you can build, guys. Do not worry at all. It's something of daily practice. Morning, watch something. I've told in my earlier video, watch English news. So watch that. Afternoon, practice the same. Evening also, sit for 15 minutes and practice communication. That's how all become experts. Have you seen public speakers or orators? They just practice speaking every day, at least for a little bit of time. That's how you work on your speaking skills and you work on your confidence. So when you come up with confidence and loss of fear, then naturally you're better at your communication. Because as I've said in my first episode, confidence is the key. Nothing else can beat confidence. First, I was also someone who did not have any confidence even to speak in front of this camera. But today, look at me. I'm speaking in front of camera. I'm telling so much guidance and giving so much help to many of you. That is all practice. I've still not completely overcome this problem, the same issue of fear and confidence, but still we all have to work, and that is really important to come up in life. So yeah. So I hope that this episode has also been of great use to many of you. So stay tuned for more such useful videos and share this with everyone who you think that really needs this. Till then, take care. Bye bye.